Okay, Savage 6S run finally. I did try to come out here and do a 6S run a while back, but I blew my rear diff, and so I had to wait for the diff parts to come in. I had to come in from overseas and got it all fixed up, so now it's all good to go again. So I'm running some 5800 milliamp 3S Ovonics in there, and yeah, this is going to be fun. Now they've planted some new trees here, which is annoying, but at the same time, hey, if we ever decide to do RC carnage here, we've got some permanent cones that we can go around. I'm feathering the throttle, by the way, because this doesn't have a wheelie bar, and if I go too hard on it, basically thing's just going to flip on its roof. So looking good so far. Diff's working, truck's working. New servo in there as well is working beautifully. No longer the stock servo. Stock servo is pretty average for a Savage. And needed something a lot more torqueier that can actually hold position, turn those big wheels. So yeah, this is looking good. All right, let's do some jumping. It's early in the morning, it's cold, and the grass is wet, and the dirt's moist. Yeah, it's fresh. Ooh, easy now. Oof. On 6S, this thing is a handful. It is a handful. The Savage takes no prisoners. This is not for the faint of heart. This truck is insane. Ooh. That was a really terrible jump, by the way. Let's try that again. That's right, I softened the brakes on this. You know, I have to kind of time it a little bit better. Yeah, see, the brakes are nowhere near as strong as they used to be, which is good, because originally they were just way too powerful. Alright, we'll do another couple here and then we'll go on to the next one. Oh, that was nice. Beautiful. You breathe on the throttle a little bit too much and the front wheels come up. Nice. Oh, that's a good note to finish this section on. Let's move on to the next one. And the only problem with this location and this time of day is that the sun is right in my eyes. So hopefully you guys can see this okay and I don't get blinded. Here we go. Ooh, grass is a little lush over there. Ooh, oh, up, 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 up. That was really messy. Is that my clutch slipping? Maybe that's why I'm not popping as many wheelies as I thought I should. Oh! Completely. Hang on. Oh, beautiful. That was nice. I can't really see the truck when it's in the air. The sun is right behind it. So I only catch the last bit of the jump. This is really bad. But it's the best vantage point for this jump though. Oh, okay, made it. Let's see if we can sneak in some backflips now. We're getting the feel for it. We're getting the groove. Oh, maybe not. Nice. Oh, and that squishy grass, and the body's going over the bumper, which is annoying. So let me fix that real quick. All right. What the hell? Yeah, I think my clutch might be slipping actually. Oh, nearly went into that thing. I'm gonna hit it one day really bad. I just know it's gonna happen. Oh, what? No way. What did I do? No. What happened? I think a shock. Yeah. Oh, the shock shaft snapped. What in the world? How? How did I break a shock shaft? Let's see if I can get my camera to focus. There it is there. And that is the end of the Savage for the day. Oh, what a shame. No, I just fixed it. Oh, this poor truck is not having a good run. Alright, well, lucky it's nothing too bad, but I didn't really, I don't know, maybe from one of the previous tumbles it weakened it and then that jump just finished it off. That's really weird. Anyway, it is what it is. Gotta fix it, and we'll be back again another time. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. For those of you wondering, I did find the spring retainer and the spring as well, so we're all good. Just need a new shock shaft and a shock rod in. I think we'll be okay.